I think our biggest weapon on that one is we made the right choice from the beginning, selecting Avalanche to build on, quite frankly. Right? So that's a very important factor. You need to kind of marry the vision with the right technology, with the right tools. I think that's we believed in it at the beginning, and every day we think we are even more right to have done so. Right. So there are a couple of key differentiators for Avalanche. One is obviously the fast finality, like sub-second finality. If you have a dynamic order book that's responding to many orders on the buy and sell side coming in every second, you need a blockchain that can keep up with that kind of dynamic behavior. And having said that, it needs to have also the right scalability vision, right? Because currently, say, we will be doing a couple of hundred transactions per second, maybe serving thousands to 10,000s of people. But the goal of this technology, if that disruption we are talking about is going to happen, is to serve millions, billions of people, right? You need the right scalable solutions, scalable technologies to build your system on. And I think Avalanche, of all the available blockchains, have the right vision and technology to deliver that. So that's my take on that one. I don't know, Cengiz, if you would like to add on.
Your question also was about blockchain is a little more expensive compared to central exchanges. So you may already ask these questions, but obviously we're going to solve that expensive and the speed is two problems with the subnets. I don't know if you want to get into that subnet or that technical, or I don't know, but the subnet is going to give us the cost efficiency as well as the speed improvements that we are looking for. So we currently, the product that we have in the mainnet is a great proof of concept and it's working well. But obviously, we cannot put hundreds of pairs, hundreds of markets in our application because we're gonna probably flood the system completely. So, like Nihat said, if we want to get there, subnet is gonna be our answer.
Actually, we would like you to go a bit deeper on the subnet issue. I think it's important to understand it.
Yeah, for example, like how much faster than your current system, how much cheaper. These are things that I care about for sure.
Sure, of course. Yeah, very well, very important questions. Now, there are different things that we can implement in the subnet. We can take the current Avalanche EVM, the Ethereum EVM, and put in our subnet as is, no changes whatsoever. Okay, but it's going to be within our own network in a way. So the speed improvements we are estimating to be about in tenfold in that case, maybe even more. But let's be a little bit in the conservative side.
Okay.
And the cost improvement is actually is going to come with, because in this subnet we're going to have as the gas token, we're going to have our own token. So AVAX is not going to be the gas token anymore, and our token is going to be relatively cheaper, and we have the luxury to set our gas price ourselves. Now, the next step is what we call native precompiles. So we can take an operation, let's say entering an order. That operation, we can say with native precompiles, we can say it's only going to cost this much gas, 100 GUI, for example, just making that number up. Always 100 GUI. It doesn't matter how many partials it's going to have. It doesn't matter if the system is busy or not. It's always going to be 100.
Okay.
This also gives some transparency to market makers. When they look at it, okay, they know what they're getting into. and they're not really variable. But anything else that they're performing in the blockchain, of course, there's going to be a flexible gas, right? Variable gas.